What's up, XRP holders and guys? It is absolutely mind-blowing. Look around you. Everyone is bearish. There's not even a single person that still believes in a rally, that still believes in a bull market. And that's why today I'm making this very important video, because I want to show you the actual facts, the proof, the evidence of why I'm personally still bullish, why I still expect a massive rally for crypto, for XRP anytime soon. I will try to keep it as simple as possible. First, of course, like the video and let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first major thing that I want to show you is on XRP's weekly time frame. And if you focus on the bottom side of the screen, you can see the crypto fear and greed index here on the weekly scale. What is important is that in November, September, October last year, XRP also had a brutal shakeout. You can see this wick. And that was also the moment when the crypto fear and greed meter went into the extreme fear. Let me show you. So here in September, we went into extreme fear. If you look at the left-hand side of the chart, extreme fear, eventually XRP recovered and we had a huge rally from 50 cents in November to approximately $3.40. Now, right now we're seeing the same thing. We had a brutal shakeout for XRP here in April. This wick over here, XRP went to $1.60 or so. The crypto fear and greed index went into the extreme fear once again, and then we recovered out of extreme fear. So I'm showing you this because the majority of the work in terms of shaking out retail has actually already been done. I do not think that XRP necessarily has to break the low from the beginning of April at $1.60. I don't think that that is a likely scenario. As you can see, each and every time when you touch extreme fear, especially on a double bottom, as we have seen in both occasions, it typically marks out the exact bottom of the correction. And from now on, I expect a massive rally for XRP. Now, is it going to happen today? Is it going to happen tomorrow, in a few days? Guys, I don't know. But overall, we should expect a massive rally, just like we have seen in November last year. Also, this is another metric to look at on XRP's weekly scale. And if you focus on the bottom side, you can see the stochastic RSI. Each and every time when the stochastic RSI touches oversold, that is when this vertical line here, we tend to see a massive rally in the price. It marks out the exact bottom and it also marks out the point from off when XRP starts a massive rally. We saw that in July last year. Look at this, guys. Stochastic RSI went into the oversold. Price also dipped. That was the exact bottom, and from there on we saw a massive rally. This was a rally of 70 or 80% or so for XRP back in July. Then in November we had the same thing. The stochastic RSI dipped into oversold, massively oversold. Eventually that marked out the exact bottom for XRP, and just 1 or 2 weeks after we saw a massive rally in November, and currently in April we saw the same thing. So the stochastic RSI dipped into the oversold once again. That marked out the exact low for XRP with this wick, this shakeout at the beginning of April, and currently we are most likely in the process of forming another huge rally. You can also see that the price is getting compressed into an apex. There isn't much space left within the pattern, and the apex forms, I would say, by the end of this month. So from any moment in time, we could see a rally for XRP. So pay attention to these signs, guys. I'm not showing you them just for fun. They are there to pay very close attention. And guys, this is the exact reason why I'm currently very bullish. I think this is an excellent risk to reward ratio. And I opened up massive swing trade positions on XRP and on other altcoins as well. If you want to do that as well, then I would highly recommend the Phemex exchange or BTCC. Links are down below in the video description. A 10% deposit bonus on BTCC and a 20% deposit bonus over on Phemex. Links down below, guys. These exchanges have been around for a long time. BTCC more than 13 years. There's high liquidity over there. I'm using them myself, so check it out if you're interested. First links down below in the video description. And that was it, guys, for today's XRP analysis. If this was helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel, of course. If you want to have access to my free trade signals, then check out the link down below, because recently I started a free trade signal group in collaboration with the Phemex exchange, because I believe that the opportunity in crypto is right now here, and I want to build a very strong community over there. In that signal group, I'm sharing my day trade strategy, my scalp trades, which you can copy. So yeah, definitely check it out, guys. I want to thank you all for watching, for the support, and I'll see you very soon in another XRP update. Bye bye.